I was like,
I got you, man. I understand.
damn.
It's just, hey, there's no right to it.
None, none, none. You can turn that way. No, you can't go down that street. Now you gotta turn back around. No, it ain't gonna make sense. It's not gonna make sense. Period. That wasn't no attention. There was no conversation starter or nothing. I got fired. And then he would have been like, "Oh, I told you, better watch it." That's a look too. At least make it sound like you at least make it like it's something you could change. So how you know what I'm talking about? Concern. Not like that. That ain't concern. That like you trying to shoot me down.
That's being nosy.
Dang.
And to me, when you're a nigga and you're being nosy, then
you don't know how the shit gonna come out.
I'm gonna call it for what it is.
Yeah, you don't know how it's gonna come out, but it gonna come out, but you just gonna see how they gonna take it. I'm like, wow, bro.
There's everything to that. See, all your other partners that you kind of talk to and deal with. See, because I know there ain't no pastor, no church in her, right? Your dogs ain't no pastor, no church, right?
No.
Okay, listen to this. Listen to what I'm going to say. You're just going to throw you for a loop. See, all your other bands, those pastors, you can come to them. Why you don't go to a man in the world, as we say, and come to him with something like that? He ain't your band. That's not because you don't hang with it. Because your wife ain't going to let you hang with it because you don't go to church.
See that? You see that? But see what's a cold.
So my nigga.
That's how you gotta come in, my nigga.
Why you coming at somebody who you notice ain't that chances are he gonna say something to Mike about that. You have to know that.
You just dumb. It's me up. It's the title you got.
But you get up and you preach about people hating on you, people saying stuff about you. Well, you doing the same thing.
Thank you, but you got a title on your name. That's what messed up for everybody. You got a title on your name.
You doing the same thing in the sense of making it seem like it's a problem.
Thank you. How can you, what they say, I got to clean up what I done messed up.
You can't clean up what you messed up because
you still doing it. You still doing it.
If you don't mess it up, then it's almost like you don't step in the middle.
You just like a pig. You just rubbing it in it. You just rubbing in it. You just rolling this shit. Okay. Hey. I'm like, nah, bro. Wrong, period. You wrong, bro. Speaking of somebody's name, period. You wrong. You wrong, man. For real, man. Alright, boss, be safe. Hit me up. Sure, I go Rick tomorrow. You already know. I only have Sundays and Mondays off. Unless we don't have a brunch. You already know. We be having a brunch on Sunday sometimes. But you already know. I keep in the loop. You ain't saying no but a word. You already know. Say, check out my YouTube. You'll see how I'm doing. Alright, boss. Be safe. Oh, you trying to be nice. Oh, you so nice. Hey, what's up with it? Hey. Where you from, everybody? Say, what's up with it, y'all? Ooh, I just cooked it up, y'all.